overwing exit on each side in the centre and 2 at the front of the cabin. Please take a moment now to locate the exit nearest to you, bearing in mind that the nearest usable exit may be behind you. To help you find your way to the exits, additional lighting will be provided in the aisle at floor level. In the unlikely event of having to use the escape slide, leave all hand baggage behind and remove high-heeled shoes as they may tear the slide. Please now ensure that your table is folded away, your seat back is upright with the armrest down, and your seatbelt is fastened. The seatbelt was fastened and adjusted like this, and unfastened like this. When the fasten seatbelt signs are on, you must go back to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. For your own comfort and safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times and visible to avoid being disturbed in flight. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided. Masks like this will appear automatically. Stay in your seat and pull a mask towards you and this will open your oxygen supply. Place the mask over your mouth and nose like this and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Do make sure that your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else. You'll find your life jacket underneath your seat. If you cannot locate your life jacket, please ask a member of the cabin crew after the safety briefing. In the event of landing on water, remove the life jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece and as a whistle and light here for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft, and we'll also supply life cots for babies and life jackets for infants. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, please study the safety card and take notice of the fasten seatbelt signs. If you do have any questions, please ask a member of the crew. Just a quick reminder that all mobile phones and any computers do need to be switched off and any headphones removed. Thank you. Cabin crew seats for takeoff, please.